All right, good day guys, and welcome back on the channel again. Now, for my previous video that I did on the Blum Memepad, there have been a lot of people that have been asking me to do a video on how to trade. Now, if I come right here, I'm gonna see someone, Mohammed Abubakar, say make a video on how to trade in Memepad and also withdrawal. Now, Queen Queen Onoja say please teach me how to trade it. And then we have Mariam Salami Yetunde. She says please teach me how to trade and launch the Memepad. I've done a video on how you can launch your own coin on the Blum Memepad. Now, for the trading of the tokens on the Blum Memepad, it's not very easy as you can actually imagine, but I'll be walking you through the easy steps on how you can navigate your way around the Blum Memepad and you can start trading immediately. Now, guys, one thing I want you to know that is that when you want to trade, there are some factors you have to bear in mind. You have to know how to understand the market analysis, market structure, the market cap of the coin you want to trade, and how to apply proper risk management. Now, to trade is a journey on its own, and I'll be walking you guys. I'll be doing a series on this channel on how to spot trade, how to do futures trading and derivative trading. But for the sake of the Blum Memepad, because the Blum trading is a requirement for you to get mem points, and for the sake of people that have asked me to do a video on how to trade on the Blum Memepad, I'll be showing you guys right now how to trade on the Blum Memepad and the things that you ought to look out for. Watch this video to the very end if you really want to know how to learn how to trade on the Blum Memepad.
This is our Blum Memepad, and this is how the interface of the Blum Memepad looks like. Now follow me carefully as I explain everything you need to know and how to trade on the Blum Memepad. Now, but the first thing I want to talk about is that you must bear in mind that trading is very risky, and any coin you buy on here is at your own risk, because people do create coins and anybody can create coins. Now, the first thing I want to show you right now is that when you come to the interface, you will see new right here. Now, under this new right here, this new implies the new coins that are being created every minute, every second, every day. Now, if you scroll right here, you're gonna see 16 seconds. That means this coin was launched just 60 seconds ago. This one was launched 1 minute ago. This one was launched 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, and so on and so forth. So you can see that every hour, every minute, every seconds, coins, or let me say meme coins, are being created on the Blum Memepad. Now, the next thing we have right here is odds. Now, when you click on this odds right here, you're gonna see coins that are currently doing well on the Blum Memepad. That's coins that are really doing well, that you can go ahead to actually trade on those meme coins. Now, these are the coins that are doing well, and if you look at the date that they were created, you can see 25 December. This one was created 5 hours ago, but it's already doing well. This one was created 21st November. Now, there's something you need to understand. Before you start trading any coin, or before you choose any coin to trade on the Blum Memepad, the first thing you need to look out for is the number of holders on that particular meme coin, and then the number of transactions that has taken place on that particular coin. Now, let me use this first token right here so that I will explain something. Now, let's open this particular meme coin right here, and then I'll be explaining all you need to know as regards to trading on the Blum Memepad. Now, you can see right here, this coin called the HAPHBT was created on the 25th of December. Now, if you come to the holders right here, you can see this coin has 5,376 holders, and the numbers of transactions that has taken place on this meme coin is 21,178. The trading volume is 2.7 million, and the market cap is 12.9 million. So you can see that this coin is actually very good and is doing very well. Now, before you go ahead to buy any coin, there are some things you also need to look out for. Now, if you want to know more about the coin, you can click on about right here. When you click on the about right here, you're gonna see every details about the coin you're about to trade. Now, let me read this. You can see this is the information about this particular coin. And if you're not satisfied with what you are seeing right here, you can click on the Telegram, or you go to the Twitter, or you go to the website, and then you get to actually read all you need to know about this particular coin. Now, the coins that are right here are all meme coins, so you need to do your due diligence research before you can go ahead to buy any token on this platform. Now, if you've done your research and you see that you like the coin, now there is something right here. They say ought or not. Now, this is an interface where you get to vote for the coin that you are actually trading on. If you like the coin, you can go ahead and support the coin by actually clicking on this icon right here, either this one or this one. Or if you don't like the coin, you click on this one just for you to support the coin. You understand? Now, let me explain something right here again. You should also look out for the top 5 holders. When you open the top 5 holders, you should look out for the top 5 holders and the numbers of ton that they have used to buy that particular coin. Now, let me go back to the trading interface so that we'll continue what I was trying to explain. Now, because this is just the Blum Memepad, this is not like the Bybit or the Binance or other trading apps where you can get to see the interface of your candles on a trading view. So there's a limitation in the sense that you cannot get to see the candles very well, but there's something that you can do for you to check the coin. Now, you have to look out for if the coin was doing well and no longer doing well currently right now, or if it is doing well currently, or if it was not doing well but is doing well currently. I hope you understand that. Now, the market cap of this coin is 12.9 million, and this is very good because there's every possibility that this token can go to about 100 million market cap. Now, you can see the numbers of reactions right here to tell you that there are people that like this particular token and they are trading this particular token. Now, there's a coin that I want to show you guys, which I found today, and I see that the coin is very interesting. Now, it is very advisable that you trade on meme coins that have a lower market cap, because tokens with the lower market cap have the tendency to actually push up or skyrocket any moment from that point that you have actually trading on them. Now, there's a coin. Let me type that coin. That coin is called Luco. Okay, now this is the coin right here. Let me open it. This is it, Luco. Now, this coin was created just 4 days ago. You can see on the 9th of January this coin was created. Now, this afternoon this coin was actually at 70,000 market cap. Now, the reactions is just 517, but the market cap is good. But it's preferable that you trade on coins that are at least 100,000 market cap. At least you are so sure that those coins will not the users of those coins will not withdraw their money or their liquidity any moment as they want. Now, if you want to check out for the initial candles on how this particular token was performing, now currently now this token is at 86,000 market cap. Now, you can just scroll to the left, just keep scrolling to your left so that you will see where this coin started and at how much it actually started. Now, you can see where this coin started. This coin started at about $6,000 market cap. This is where this coin started right here. Now, if I scroll back to where it is right now, from 6,000 market cap, you can see that it is currently at 86,000 market cap. This afternoon it was actually at this point at 77,000 market cap, but right now it has increased to 86,000 market cap. So you can see the token is gradually skyrocketing. That is to say that if I had bought $100 worth of this coin this afternoon when I saw it at $70,000 market cap, maybe I would have made an extra $100 my profit from this particular coin. Now, after you've looked at for all of this that I've just explained right now, you have checked the market cap, you've checked the numbers of holders, you check the numbers of transactions and the trading volume, then you can go ahead to either buy the token. So let's click on buy. Now, you need a minimum of 0.3 ton on your ton keeper before you can actually go ahead to trade any token on this Memepad. Now you can see that we have 0.3 ton, we have 0.5 ton, we have 10 ton, and so on and so forth. Now what I have in my balance is 0.25 ton, which means I can't buy this token right now. So I actually traded with some tokens this afternoon before making this video, but I'll be making another video to show you live and direct how to buy. But this is just the major thing you need to know. After you've done your research and you are satisfied with the token, you just need to go and fund your ton keeper with at least 0.3 ton. Then you go ahead and click on buy the token right here, and then you click on buy. So this is how to actually get to trade on the Blum Memepad. It's very simple, but in as much as it is very simple, it is also very risky, because there are thousands of fake coins that are being created on the Blum Memepad. So let me show you something right here. There's something I want to show you, very important, so that you will know that you trading on the Blum Memepad is at your own risk. Okay, now you can see something right here. Anyone can create tokens, including fake ones, so caution is needed. Blum does not verify tokens. Research thoroughly before trading. All risks are yours. So this information right here is actually from the Blum airdrop itself. They are telling you that any coin you buy on this interface, on this Memepad, is at your own risk, since anybody can actually get to create his own coin. Now before I end this video, I want to be showing you something. For those of you that watch my videos on how to create your own Memepad on the last video, you remember that I created a token. Now let me click on my token so that I will show you the token I created in the Blum Memepad. Now this is the token I created. Now let me open it, and then I will show you something very important. For those of you that have not created your own token, I've made a video on this channel on how to create your own Memepad on the Memcoin on the Blum Memepad. Just do it to check it out and go and learn how to create your own Memcoin. If you are interested in doing that, just bear in mind that you will get 500 mem points for going ahead to create your own Memcoin on the Blum Memepad. So this is my token right here, money. So you can see I've not started any transactions yet. The trading volume is just $2, $2.8. So guys, if you are interested, or you are scared of buying coins that will actually get to crash or whatever, you can go ahead and buy my token. But you can also do your own due diligence research before you go ahead to trade on this token. I'll be making a video about this token, because I plan on advertising this token to my community, so that we can trade on this token and see how we can push it to DEX. So if this video gave you any value, or you enjoy my content, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn all the bell notifications, so that whenever I post videos like this, you will always be the first to get them. Thank you, and see you in my next video. I love you guys.